Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you how we can change Telegram storage from internal to SD card. Let's get started. Open your Telegram app on your phone, and then after you open your Telegram, you can click on this button on the top of your screen and then choose settings menu right here. Alright, and click data and storage and choose storage path right here. Click on it and you can choose SD card, this one. Alright, and you'll get this question and you just have to click proceed. Okay guys, that's how we can change Telegram storage on our phone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!